Yeah, good day everyone. This video is going to be about how to trade ICC. The ICC means attention, correction, and continuation. You know, when price give you an attention, the price will surely correct itself. Where there's an impulse, there must be a correction, then a continuation. So this is the easiest way for you to trade. I only trade indices. Now this is the easiest way for you to trade indices using ICC method of trading. Now, if you look at this particular zone here, there is a what? There is a consolidation. Price was trying to go higher, consolidate. Then what the price did, the price swept this demand here, which a lot of people is trying to buy from. Swept it with wick, you can see. Then price did what? Give us a clear intention that price want to continue higher. Now immediately we saw this intention that price want to continue higher. We'll wait for the correction phase. Now the correction phase, sorry about this trend line liquidity here. Just my future markup in case if price wanted to take the low. So know where my trend line liquidity is, so that's why I mark it up. Why these lines you are seeing here, 46,000, 45,500, these are institutional levels. Between 45,000 to 45,500 is 50 pips. In indices is 500 points, but when you convert it to pips, it's 50 pips. So, and one thing you need to know, the main reason I mark it out, one thing you need to know is that when price break 45,000, price will surely get to 45,500. Then price will definitely get to 46,000. It's just like a pinpoint. That's how indices work, which is this US30 I'm trading. So immediately we saw this intention. Now price we need to create other liquidities. Price came back, used this FVG, which a lot of people buy from. But what did price did? Price came back and swept them out. Then price came back to the main zone, which price wanted to react from. You can see the zone aligns with our institutional level 45,000. Then immediately you saw this, you wait for your confirmation. This is how I get my confirmation, guys. Now we have this big bearish candle here, which have FVG, which is imbalance. Are you seeing it, guys? So I will wait for market to take this zone out, to take this FVG out, to know that yes, price is ready to go higher. Then you can see price try to respect the FVG, respected it, but what it did, the price failed to respect it. Then when price failed to respect it, price creates another what? Intention. This is it, another intention that price really to go higher, but price didn't take out this high because they will come back again for another correction. So now where I'm looking for trade now is this new intention, this particular zone here. That's where I'm looking for trade, within this zone. Now I only use two time frame. I use 2 time frame, 4 hours, 15 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. Then immediately I saw that I will go down time frame to what? 15 minutes. Then when price came into the zone in 15 minutes, I'll wait for additional confirmation to know yes that price is willing to go higher. Now on our other confirmation, we have what here? We have another imbalance here, which price might decide to go lower from. But what did price did? Price failed that imbalance, close above it, run it. Price run the imbalance. They came back to this. The price came back to this demand here. It respected it. Then immediately I saw this. Now is the time to look for my entries. Then price push up, but failed to close above this high here. Price failed to close above this high here. Then once I saw that, I wait for price to give me more confirmation. Now immediately I saw this, the price failed to respect this imbalance here. they created a new buy side imbalance. That is where I will take trade. I will go to my gap, my long position. I will use this ozone, this full supply to the demand flip. So I will use this. I want to use this demand because price will not come back to this demand in most cases. So I use this last second here. Then put my stop loss below this low here, 75 point, which is about 0.5 p before rest. Then I will target this high here, which I know that price might likely come. Or sometimes I just don't want to fall. That's what I usually do. Exactly, want to fall. You can see price came the following day, but the following day price did what? It gave us another entry. Why? Because this was the old zone. This was the old zone that changed, that take out all this resistance here, which is this resistance that was respecting this FVG. This was the zone that take it out. The price did what again? Come back to this zone to continue higher. So the following day you can still go. It depends on you. Most likely, because I caught this trade, I caught this one as well. Most likely I usually don't want to fall. The following day I caught my want to fall. Which is about almost 300 pips. Almost 30 pips, which is 300 points. This is it. Then when price came back down again, swept this low. Price came back down again, swept this low, then came back to this demand, which price failed to come back to the first time. Now price came back to this demand again. Immediately I saw this again, I would do the same thing. I wait for my confirmation. Now this is the last imbalance here. Price need to use to come back down. But what the price consolidated, and finally break it out. Immediately I saw that, I wait to see what price is trying to do. Then what the price did here, price closed above. Look at it. This particular zone here swept the low, came back to this FVG, respected it, then break the high here. It didn't break the high here, remember, during it broke the high during London. Then what am I going to do now? I will set my entry in this new zone here. This last second here. Stop loss will be below this whole zone here, this whole order flow. Then now I'm ready to target this high because price is ready to go higher now. Exactly, you can see price ready to go higher. So that will be all for this video. You can do your back test, or for those who didn't catch it straight from the beginning due to stock market open 230, you can still catch the trade here again. This is another zone. This is another zone here. Immediately the first candle came to this particular order flow, respected it. Then we saw what this next candle was bullish. There was no bearish FVG here to telling you that the price is ready to go higher. There was immediately I saw this three candle formation, this bearish candle, this bullish candle, this next bearish candle. Price need to sweep this bearish candle low to continue higher. So I'll put my limits under this bearish candle. Then yes, put my limits here under the bearish candle. Under the bearish candle here. Then stop loss would be under this low for safer stop loss. Then what are you going to do here? Get the same 1 to 4. Depending on your risk to reward. You can see 1 to 4, which is 400 points. 400 points, that's 40 pips in forex calculation. Or you can target, you can see how I use my institutional level, these lines that you are seeing. Now we know that price has broke this above this 45,500. Price will definitely reach 46,000. You can see price reached at 46,000. And you can see price broke 46,000. Now you know that price will definitely reach here 45,600, 46,500. Sorry guys. You see how these institutional levels work on this indices, ping pong. So that will be all for this video, guys. You can do your back test on it and use it to be pass your profit account or trade your personal account. So right now I'm looking for, I have this trend line liquidity. You can see first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So now we are currently in a crucial zone here. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm telling you based on my analysis. We are currently on a crucial zone here. If I want to sell, we have this FVG here on 4 hour. I will have to see price do what? Price create a new sell FVG on 4 hour. Remember guys, not a 15 minutes on 4 hour. I need a new bearish candle here to be bearish, and it should have FVG, fair value gap. Then I want to see price retrace a little into this fair value gap to continue lower, to take out all these trend line liquidities, which is to sell all the way to first target should be 45,000. The next target should be 44,500. That's what I'm waiting for, guys. So you can do your analysis. If you are still trading indices like me, US30, you can monitor as well. So that will be all for this video, guys. Kindly watch, subscribe, like, and come back to my channel anytime for more educational videos.